Hello everyone, this is Mikey, and as you know, perhaps some of you, I've been away from 3D printing industry maybe a bit more than a year, and there were many cooperation offers from different companies in China, but for many reasons I did not feel the connection, and but also for many reasons I chose Artillery 3D printer company to get back on the track. I've been monitoring these people for a year and this company for a year, and then I flew all the way from Hangzhou, where the Alibaba company is located, to Shenzhen, the world's biggest electronics manufacturer, and actually where the Artillery 3D printer company is located. So today I'm here in this huge and massive building, and I'm going to bring you in and show you how the Artillery 3D printer looks like. So let's go in. Boom. Is there on this showroom, as you can see. Maybe you don't hear my voice, but I just want to say very nice. There is a nice decoration here. Their Artillery Side Wonder X1 and Genius, as you can see, very small. So hold it simply, and that's it, right? So, and trust me, I know dozens of 3D printer companies in China. These guys are too nice, too sincere. They approach the customers the way they have to. Unlike many other companies, their attitude towards the market and customer is very different. They receive every single feedback and apply it to their work in order to provide a better products and service. A very young and determined team, a very solid company, truly divided into different departments: sales, marketing, R&D, logistics, customer service, and so on. I went to their warehouse and the production line, which I couldn't take a video for their concern, but everything looks very neat and professional. Neat printers and neat design. To me, it looks very different to compare with different brands in the market. I haven't had the chance to assemble their printer, which I will soon in the other video, and I'm trying to do it with beautiful lady Tracy. But I heard a Side Wonder is truly a plug and play printer, and assembling it takes only a few minutes. So I'm here to tell you, show you around and tell you my true and honest impression about Artillery 3D printer company. And they gave me a seat just right here for my few days staying in Shenzhen. Everything looks good so far, so good. And actually, they gave me, I mean, not gave me, but they just bought a new brand 3D printer, which just totally assemble, you know, and see with a printer. So later, I'm gonna go and unbox, try, and up and run the printer. So, so far so good, everything, and we'll see what happens next. Artillery 3D printer company. I love these guys.